Hey everyone! Ever dreamed of growing your own fresh herbs, veggies, or flowers, but you're stuck in a small apartment? Well, today, I'm going to show you how you can transform your indoor space into a thriving urban garden. And the best part? You don't need a backyard. Stick around for some handy tips, space-saving solutions, and must-have gardening tools. Let's get growing. Before we dive in, why should you even start an indoor garden? Here's why. 1. Fresh food at your fingertips. Imagine plucking fresh basil or lettuce right from your kitchen. 2. Improved air quality. Plants naturally purify the air, making your space fresher. 3. Stress reduction. Gardening is a great way to relax and de-stress after a long day. 4. Decor upgrade. A little greenery instantly makes any space feel more inviting. So now that we know the benefits, let's talk about the best ways to set up your indoor garden. Not all plants thrive indoors, but some do exceptionally well. Here are some beginner-friendly plants. 1. Herbs, basil, mint, rosemary, and thyme. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, lettuce, and kale. 3. Microgreens, easy to grow and packed with nutrients. 4. Compact vegetables, cherry tomatoes and peppers. Make sure to choose plants that match the amount of natural light in your space. But if you're limited on sunlight, don't worry. I've got the perfect solution coming up next. To get started, here are some must-have gardening tools for small apartments. 1. Planters and vertical gardens. Look for stackable planters or hanging pots to save space. 2. Indoor hydroponic systems. These are perfect for low-maintenance gardening. 2. Just add water and nutrients, and you're good to go. 3. LED grow lights. If natural light is limited, LED grow lights will keep your plants happy and healthy. 4. Self-watering pots. A lifesaver if you travel or forget to water your plants. Now that you have your tools, let's set up your mini garden. 1. Pick your spot. Find a sunny windowsill, a kitchen counter, or even a balcony. 2. Choose the right containers. Make sure they have proper drainage to avoid root rot. 3. Use quality soil. Go for nutrient-rich potting mix for the best results. 4. Water wisely. Overwatering is a common mistake. Check the soil before adding water. 5. Rotate your plants. If your space has uneven sunlight, rotate your plants every few days. Now that your garden is set up, how do you keep it thriving? 1. Monitor light needs. Adjust grow lights or reposition plants as needed. 2. Prune regularly. Trimming keeps your plants healthy and encourages new growth. 3. Fertilize occasionally. Use organic fertilizers for nutrient-rich soil. 4. Watch for pests. Keep an eye out for bugs and treat with natural remedies like neem oil if needed. And there you have it, your very own urban garden, even in the smallest of spaces. Gardening doesn't have to be complicated or take up a ton of room. With the right tools and a little care, you'll be growing fresh greens in no time. Got any gardening tips or questions? Drop them in the comments below. And if you're looking for the best planters, hydroponics, or LED grow lights, check out the links in the description. Happy gardening, and see you next time!